now I'm making this video trying to record the sound of the drive unit, the whining sound. After 2 service visits, they never fixed it, so I just tightened the ground nuts myself. Let's see if we can hear the noise now at 37 miles per hour. I think it's pretty much gone. I can hardly hear it if I pay a lot of attention. It's very, very minute. Still at 37 miles per hour. We're gonna get a little bit faster right now. To 45. No, it's still 35 speed limit. Yeah, the sound is almost gone. And all I did was, I didn't even remove the rear back left tire. I just, somehow got my hand in there and tightened the ground nut that's near the back rear tire. And it was a 10 millimeter bolt, and it was pretty easy. I think in the future I'm gonna get the plastic ramps to somehow go under the car and then tighten all the ground bolts, both for the front drive unit and the rear drive unit, because the ground strap, one end is attached to the inverter of the drive unit and one end is attached to the frame of the car. So I'm gonna try to figure out a better way to make that that connection a little bit stronger. Maybe get a better a nut that provides more contact, or something like that, or maybe remove the nut completely, clean it with a brush or sand it down or something, and to make that surface contact much better with the frame. So that's gonna be a future project, but for now I'm pretty satisfied with this. This is pretty good. Okay, now let's